How to troubleshoot can't install Malwarebytes Antivirus issue. 3 quick solutions. Method 1. Check your internet connection. Step 1. First make sure that your wireless router is turned on. Step 2. Ensure that your device is connected to the wireless network. Step 3. Make sure that you have a stable network connection. Method 2. Disable other third-party antivirus on your system. Step 1. Click on the Windows search menu, type in Control Panel and open it. Step 2. Select Programs and Features, then locate the other antivirus programs. Step 3. Select the other security program and click Uninstall. Step 4. If you get the User Account Control pop-up permission window, click Yes to allow. Step 5. If you get a pop-up prompt to confirm the action, click Yes. Step 6. Follow the remaining on-screen prompts to complete the uninstallation process. Step 7. Once done, type regedit in the Windows search bar and open it as an administrator. Step 8. If you get the User Account Control pop-up permission window, click Yes to allow. Step 9. Click HKY_current_user to expand it and click Software. Step 10. Right-click the antivirus program you just deleted and click Delete. Step 11. Click Yes on the pop-up prompt to confirm the action. Method 3. Turn off VPN. Step 1. Click on the Windows search icon, search settings and open it. Step 2. Click Network and Internet, then scroll down and select Proxy. Step 3. Click Edit next to Use a proxy server. Step 4. Disable Use a proxy server, then click Save. Step 5. Once done, close the settings window. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirustales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.